A southern European country bordering Spain, Portugal is a growing economy that has been expanding at a steady rate. The currency used within the country is the euro since its inception, as it is a part of the Eurozone. Along with the warm beaches, the major attraction for the city is the architecture that dates back to the 1500s. The nation is ranked 42nd in the Global Competitiveness Report by the World Economic Forum. The majority of the trade by Portugal is done among the countries falling under the European Union. Though the nation was impacted adversely by the financial crisis in 2008 that slowed down the economic growth greatly in 2011-13, there has been an inverse in the trend, showing positive changes since. A gradual fall in the unemployment rate accompanied by the growing economy has led to Portugal being a well-developed economy today. The nation is also home to many notable companies ranging from various sectors and industries. At the same time, the nation's education system is highly modernized, with students in Portugal lying significantly higher than the OECD's average. The financial crisis. With all countries in the EU facing a debt crisis in 2008, Portugal was an economy that got adversely impacted, leading to national debts and financial crisis. The impacts of the crisis were first noticed in 2010, with its effects lasting until 2013. One of the major contributors to the crisis was the bankruptcy of the major Portuguese banks. These banks had accrued massive debts in the millions and were also under fire for many unethical activities such as illegal gains, false asset management, among others. Along with other factors such as budget slippage with public-private partnerships and losses for swaps, the effects of the crisis became severe, leading to a financial bailout from the EU amounting to $115 billion. Since then, the economy of Portugal has been steadily recovering starting from 2014, accompanied by a gradual rise in the GDP. Economy sectors. Though the unemployment rate has been gradually decreasing since 2014, the GDP of the country is one of the lowest in the EU. The majority of the economy for the nation is from forests, which constitutes almost 34% of the country, with the important resources being pine trees, cork oaks, holm oaks, and eucalyptus. After the economic crisis, many people turned to agriculture, which led to a resurgence of the sector. Olive trees, vineyards, wheat, and maize are the principal produce from the country. More than 65% of the workforce in Portugal are employed in the service industry, contributing to over 70% of the economic output of the country. Apart from this, fisheries and energy are also growing sectors. Industrialization has also seen rapid growth, leading to a growing number of automobiles and similar units in different industries. Though Portugal was adversely impacted by the financial crisis of 2008, it has since then picked up a lot, owing thanks to the government's policies and reforms. Gradually rising the economic output each year, the nation today enjoys a well-developed and stable economy accompanied by a declining unemployment rate.